Can you hear me? Well, I hope you can. Well, I'm gonna try doing a song in Pistol Whip on hard. I've been practicing Religion, but I think one of my favorite songs is... Can you hear me over the music? Ah! Okay. This is gonna give me some time to talk. I've been practicing Religion, but I'm gonna do The Grave on hard. This really gets the blood pumping. Boom. In Pistol Whip, you technically don't have a body, so your body doesn't take damage. Pretty much secret is to keep your head constantly moving. I'm not exactly an expert at this! Well, let's try that again. I really want to make a poll to see what you guys want for content. But, apparently, either they stopped doing it, or I'm too small of a creator to get one. I do have a pretty messed up history. It's not like saying I make really messed up videos, which I can sometimes do, but it's just that nothing is consistent in my entire history on YouTube. I started making these really, really dumb Lego videos that I pretty much made in my parents' living room. They were usually mad about the mess. I remember I would spend hours making them. And most of the ones that I made never really made it to YouTube. And I have no idea where the computer is. I thought I had it in a closet. But, I think I might have given it to my computer class teacher. And I'm pretty sure I saw it in her, closet when shortly before I graduated. But I couldn't prove that it was mine. It was this HP PC, and it was the weird tan color that those PCs usually are. You know, the best way to describe this game would be like playing that first-person shooter scene from Doom. I love the street lamps. Gives it this gothic kind of look. What if they had something that was like Renaissance fairs, but for the Victorian era? Is that a thing? Just get everybody to bring out their Victorian steampunk, Victorian goth, pretty much everything from that 1800s era, or inspired, ouch, by that 1800s era. If the video lags, it's because I'm using the Steam VR display and not the games. The games looked a little pixelated and jaggedy, while Steam does this. Oh, I was so close to the end. Maybe I should. One more try. One more. I usually don't stick to that, but I want to keep my videos short. I'm at the point where a video reaches 10 minutes. You should probably just watch something on Netflix or Hulu or something. I've been wanting to work on it, but I usually just get carried away playing and don't bother. Okay, let's do that again. I'm gonna try my best to stay quiet, because when I'm talking, I'm not focusing. Work out when you play this, don't you? The game has a sort of auto-aim system. So, I'm not actually this accurate. It's really something they do to make you feel like a badass. Really makes you feel like you're John Wick. But, while they're doing the whole John Wick thing, maybe they should try seeing if they can get some of the songs that were licensed for it. Like, Think. Oh yeah, this weapon I called the Widowmaker. It's really just an edgy term. That's why it's used so often for shit. But I made the design look like Black Widows. I thought it looked nice. Look at it. I have another one that looks like nukes. Not nukes, but hazard symbols.
Remember
The grave. Even with auto aim, my aim sucks. Whew, full armor. Okay, one more stage. I believe these things increase with difficulty as they go on.
This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna shoot some bad guys.
I just fucking died. Now, you know, while we're here, let's look at the weapon that I was talking about. This is the other one. I thought this looked nice. I'm not really sure what kind of vibe it goes for, but I just thought it looked nice. I can't point, but Biohazard logo and the radioactive hazard logo. I thought it looked nice. I have to say, my favorite hazard logo's got to be the Biohazard logo. I once made a little superhero character that had it. It was originally going to be the nuclear symbol, but then I thought Biohazard fit better. This one I thought would look funny. It's a squirt gun. Whoops. Actually, I think I just thought it looked cool. This one, yeah, I guess it had a Joker vibe to it. I don't freaking know what I was thinking. I thought there was one I tried to make look like the signature weapon from Boneworks. That's a weird sound effect. Give me the spider one. This one's my favorite. Red and black, really good color combination. Red spiders, that's nice. But I think I'm just gonna quit now. I guess I really just make these videos when I feel like I need someone to talk to. Let's upload this to YouTube. Control-Shift-R.